We've got a nice thin filleting style knife, and we just want to put a nice slither in there so I can stuff it. Sun-dried tomato, camembert, which I diced up, and then we'll chop in some spinach, and then we'll seal the ends with some toothpicks and fry these little babies off. So little chickies here browning off nicely. We'll just seal the end, and she's going straight in the oven now. I've got that set to 22 minutes. Let's do the saucy. Chuck in a little bit of onion, garlic, mushrooms. Chuck in me capsicum and me pesto. Ajvar. Beautiful capsicum sauce. It's gonna be delicious. Chuck in our cream now. It's going in there. A little bit of salt. I think this is ready. Broccolini. This is it, folks. So we've got a little chickie. We put in 3 colors, right? We had our sun-dried tomato, camembert, and then I put in the spinach. So we want to see all 3 colors. Slice it kind of long ways, but on an angle. Beautiful. That's what we're talking about, folks. And now I'll just put a little bit of sauce on top on the chicken. Okay, and that's it, folks. She's looking. Taste test. Mwah. Beautiful. See you guys next time. God bless. Take care. Thanks for watching.